up, it's like skirt. Dreams pulling up, I'm like skirt. I'm living my best life, it's my birthday.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to talk about more Brazilian talks, the thing that I love the most. But today I'm discussing what are the 4 reasons as to why it would be really beneficial for you to do your own Brazilians at home, and you know, how it changed my life. So stay tuned, subscribe. Alright, so jumping right in, if you already don't know, I love doing my own Brazilians at home. I've been doing it for the past year, and I've been getting Brazilians for the past 8 years. So I've spent a lot of money over the years on just that service, and now I've learned to take my own skills and actually do it myself. And I'm saving hundreds of dollars. Time, hundreds of dollars. I got my power back, I have self-confidence, and it's just super convenient, and I'm sharing the 4 reasons. I feel like I kind of gave you guys a synopsis of those 4 reasons, but the main reason for me was time management, and giving myself that time to do a wax and go to the salon seems so hard for me to keep, because now I'm a mom of 2, I have a full-time job, I have a household to maintain, and I have a relationship, with myself. It's just too much. I found myself always having to cancel my appointments. Next thing you know, I have to schedule the following week, and God knows what happens when you have to cancel and schedule the following week. Your hair becomes longer. It does not stop growing. So I felt like this is the best thing to do. I actually now wax myself in 15 minutes, and it is the most amazing thing. At first it took me 45 minutes, but now that I've perfected my skill and how I have a system, 15 minutes is my window, and I get it done, and it's the best thing. Money. Now, money is a huge factor in a lot of people's lives. It's the determining factor to your success, and I save so much money now. Now, this thing from Ulta is $24.99, and this rations me out 3 sessions. So this will allow me 3 waxes. That means 3 months worth of wax in this $24.99 valued cup, which means my waxes cost $8.30 now instead of my 50 bucks, give or take, plus tip. And I'm saving hundreds of dollars. Like, it's just completely amazing. I cannot believe it's just so convenient and easy, and just so many benefits. So that right there just says a lot to doing it yourself. Now, reason number 3 is the convenience. Like, I really love that I can actually wax myself right before I want to go to the pool. I literally go in the bathroom, actually heat it up first, and then I go in the bathroom, do a quick wax, and I'm ready to go. I can do it when the kids are sleeping. I can do it before or after work. I can just do it anytime I want, and it's the most convenient thing. And I do it in the comfort of my own home, and I don't have to spread for anybody. For my man, but for no stranger, no weird embarrassing situation. That's a really big factor, the convenience. And then number 4 is, now you don't have to deal with strangers. You don't have to deal with someone looking down there at you. And I remember feeling super embarrassed one time because I came in with a tampon. And I mean, my waxer had been my waxer for a couple of years, and she said, come on in. But it's still kind of weird. And no matter how long you've done it, you can convince yourself that it's completely fine. But they're judging you down there. They're gonna, they're gonna have their thoughts, and that's just weird. I no longer have to give me self-confidence. It saves money, saves time, it's super convenient, and I just want to share that with everybody. Those are the reasons why you need to do your own waxes, girl, at home. Message me, comment below, check out my other videos on how to do your own Brazilians, and I think that's pretty much it. So subscribe, comment, like, do all of that amazing stuff, and I hope you guys enjoyed it and found this super valuable.